Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there, fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright, so I want to mount the truck box right up front here. I want to make sure there's enough room behind it that I can get the ramp out. Okay. There's a few ways you can go about mounting this though. You can drill. I don't know if the toolbox is going to stay there. But anyways, you can drill inside and then get this off here. And then tap your beam. Or you can use these nut certs, put them in, compress them down. Or you can use a clamp that goes all the way through and puts 2 holes in your box. I'm going to choose the route with the nut cert, obviously, because you saw them over here. Okay, so I'll put the box here, drill all the way through everything, and then put the nut cert and a couple washers and tighten her down. So let me just double check to make sure that the ramp is going to fit behind it before I go drilling holes. Probably overkill. Got 5 bolts holding that thing in, but I'm comfortable with that. It's not going anywhere. So another thing checked off the list on the long list of mods on this guy. Well, not long list anymore. Checking them off slowly. I got about 3 or 4 more, so stay tuned.